Yeah, okay, I'm back. Back in that driveway, back in that car. Same spot. Even got my Steelers hat on. Why? Well, I'll give you one more chance. You saw the warning. Weak at heart, closed-minded people. There's graphic content coming up because I've had it. Here's the situation. Kit Kat bar. These things rock. I want you to look at this as life. Okay? Kit Kat bar symbolizes life. Yep, that's a king-size Kit Kat bar. I'm a big guy. I buy the bigger ones. Now when I look at this and I take these out, there it is. Beautiful, 4 strands of chocolate, the way it's intended. To be broken off, nibbled. Some people would say use a napkin to get the chocolate off your fingers. I go, no, I'm gonna lick it. I'm a fat guy, I'm not wasting one split second of this candy bar that's so awesome. But this candy bar is life. Okay, last warning. Here's cruelty and graphic. Now I know some of you are wincing in pain. Some of you are probably shutting this off. Some of you, that's not how it's done. That's not how it's done. Oh, I'm sorry. That's right. Society writes these books. How we're supposed to live my life. How I'm supposed to do things. There's one way to do it, and society says. I still haven't found that book. Nobody will put their name on that society book. So as I look at this, things can be done differently. There's not just one way to do something. Because I'm going to tell you what, that candy bar is incredible. It tasted phenomenal. And I did it my way. I look at this and I think to myself, I want to tell so many people, stop worrying about what others say. Stop worrying about others trying to live your life for you and tell you what it is that you need to do. I'm telling you right now, you got one shot at this life. You go do it your own damn way. I don't care if it makes people sick. They look at it as cruel and unusual punishment to chocolate, or they just don't understand you. I'm gonna tell you something, that Kit Kat bar tasted damn good. And you know what? My life feels damn good too. I'm so tired of people saying, you know, you got 7 dogs, don't get one more, you got enough already. The beauty of one, I still remember one time, you already got 3 kids. Why don't you focus on your own 3? You don't need to foster anymore. Okay, take a peek at this. You know who it was who said that. Didn't break that piece off either. I ate that candy bar the same damn way I want to eat it my way. Sorry, I'm enjoying this just for a second. So why did I do this today? I'm getting ready for graduation tomorrow. I've been playing around with the senior video. Talked to a friend of mine. And today was the day my dog passed away 4 years ago on me. And I was looking for something to take my mind off of things. And I just started thinking about people telling me how to live my life. People telling me this is the way you need to do things. And then I read Sheila Barnaby's post about somebody saying about the homosexuality and the pride thing, how it's such a sin and they have to live their life this way and this way and this way. Well, I'm going to tell you something. If Sheila Barnaby is a sinner, I'm hanging out with her in hell, because that is one of the most precious little angels here that's helping people and kids everywhere you go. That is an amazing woman. And when it gets to that point where people are saying, oh, break it off, nibble it, I got something to say to you. I'm being polite. Sheila's going to live her life any damn way she wants, and so am I. And I'm not telling you, you have to. If you enjoy following society's rules, that's awesome. More power to you. Because we have laws we need to obey. But I get tired of it. Go to college. You have to go to college to be successful. I can line up students for miles that haven't needed college, and they're doing absolutely phenomenal. We need plumbers. My God, I paid a plumber $90 to come out here one day. Blew my mind how talented the kid was. I call my former students to come and help me with electrical work, with plumbing work, with all kinds of work around here. They can do it their own way, and so can you. So as I sit here looking at this, I'm not sorry if I offended anybody. Because if you're offended, it's because I'm doing things my way. And that's okay, because I'd rather you hate me for who I am than you love me for what I'm not. And what I really wish, you'd all go out in the next 24 hours, buy a Kit Kat bar, take it, unwrap it. Even if you do it in public, that'd be even better. Sit in public somewhere, and you bite into that sucker the way you want, and you eat it the way you want, the same way you should live your life. Don't you ever feel afraid of it either. Because I gotta be honest with you, like this Kit Kat bar, I got the best damn life there is. My name's Jay.